Hey guys, before we get into this one take, just give me a quick minute for Autopreme luxury floor coverings. And I say floor coverings, not floor mats, because they aren't just mats. In fact, they cover your entire footwell. They are made of a beautiful leatherette, comes in any color you want, and they have fittings for any car you want. That's right, folks. You can get these Autopreme luxury mats to fit your car in your color choices with your stitching choices for a very reasonable price. They have them for the front seats, the back seats, even trunk liners for cars and SUVs. I admittedly was questioning it a little bit until I held the product in my hand, felt the softness of the leather, looked at the quality of the stitching, and even scratched it up with a key, showing it was in fact very durable if you beat it up. If you get muddy, dirty, salty, these luxury mats will look like they belong in a Bentley, but take the abuse of everyday wear and tear. I got a special link for you in the description. Hit it up, special discount price just for TST viewers. Thank you for supporting the people who support this show like Autopreme floor mats. Hit it up and check it out, and I'll see you at the end of this video.
Hey guys, welcome to Button Willow, where shit's about to get wild. This is Bisi Moto's twin turbo center drive Porsche Cayman. This vehicle, you sit in the middle, folks. It's got no interior and you sit in the middle. And that's not all. You got a 2.7 liter twin turbo motor. The original motor, high compression motor, makes 420 of the tires with twin 52 millimeter ball bearing turbos on E85, wide body, 285 front tires, 305 rear tires, carbon fiber wheels, huge brakes. The whole car weighs 2,550 pounds. This should be excellent. Okay, in typical Bisi fashion, it does not have power brakes. It does have power steering. Okay, this is definitely the kind of vehicle you work your way up to. It's got R compound tires and they are very cold. Very cold. Right now, this is a highly experimental vehicle. Bosi's developing it, testing it in real time, and he's looking for my feedback on how it drives. So it might be good, it might be terrible, and we're gonna let him know either way. He's open to that. One thing's for sure, it's fucking crazy. Actually digital. It's a camera in the back like Le Mans. These tires have a bit of marbling on them from whenever the last time this thing went out. I'm going to scrub them off just a bit and we'll be good. I still got to really get a feel for this thing. Okay, hang on a minute. The problem is, with manual brakes, heel towing is real tricky, real tricky. tow. What a nutty car. Okay, we got heat in the tires now. Steering is very light. Oh my God, this is fantastic. The manual brakes. Bisi loves the manual brakes. Okay, where but you really gotta stand on that pedal. This is so cool. The shifter is a little rubbery, feels like, you know, first gen Cayman shifter. Oh no, Porsche in the dirt. I'll come by, don't worry. So cool. Oh no, the gauge pod is loose. It's flopping around. It definitely makes the right sounds. And it's definitely less scary to drive than their blue 911. That's for sure. Really good balance. It's a lot of fun. Whoa. With the manual brakes, in order to heel toe, I need to like shove the side of my shoe into the accelerator pedal. It's not exactly ideal. I got a GT3 coming on a .5 right here. I'm gonna chase him. This is Josh, it's his track day. This GT3 is Josh, the director of Speed District. Brand new GT3, ceramics, all that shit. Oh no. I overcooked the entry. Whoops. Whoops on the overcooking of the entry. There's not a ton of feeling in the steering, but it is very accurate. Wow, this thing is rock and roll, man. This thing is crazy! How brilliant! Last lap, last lap. being a bit of a pussy on the entry here, but I genuinely think this car could probably benefit from power brakes. And the gauge pod needs to be tightened. It's a good thing I can hear because it's a bit sloppy. Oh, well, let's see how this ends. Guys, you can pass the truck, guys. You can pass the truck. Come on, folks. Come on. Oh, that needs to be fixed. On that left side. We end that video. Yep. Hi, Bisi. Okay, so I went off. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bisi. What happened there was I got a little hot-headed and I overcooked it, and what happens there is, rather than try and make that corner, you can end up spinning and hitting that inside wall. That's really bad. Instead, I just drove straight off, which is actually the correct thing to do. It allows you to regain control. And not hit the wall and not roll. Is really good. It has great balance, it has nice grip, it's pretty predictable, it's not hard to drive. If I had any real criticism, it would truthfully be that I think power brakes would make it much easier to drive, and I probably would not have had that problem that I had in that corner. I probably wouldn't have overcooked that with power brakes. I never have before. That was the first time. But wow, that car is nuts. Thank you to Bisi for letting me do that. Sorry, I got a little dusty, my bad. I wanted to see where the limit was. I found it. Thank you to watching. Hit the link in the description for busimoto.com to see all the specs on this car, as well as for Speed District to check out one of their track days. As you can see, it's a pretty class event over here, and that was awesome. See you guys later. Bye.
Now that we're here, before we go, don't forget to hit that link for the Autopreme floor mats special price for you guys in the description of this video.